This mother recipe literally sell the water sugar in the name of date. Hi guys, this is Amin AG. Today I saw very funny things in India in the grocery store. As usual, I went to the shop to buy some grocery things. Those people following me on Instagram, they know that whenever I want to do any photo shoot and all, I go to the diet and I use the chutney, sauce or other add-on to my food to make it delicious, because diet has to be like that, diet has to be yummy. I went to the shop, I saw two items which is my favorite, tamarind and dates in the one package as a tamarind dates chutney. I got so happy, okay, this is my day. But you know, a brand here always don't give a focus or funny things to the people health. They just want to make something and sell it. So I grabbed these things, mother recipe, and I was happy first of all. Then I, turn it on and see the ingredient inside that. As they mentioned that there is 9% tamarind in this and only 2% dates. Rest is sugar and water. Okay, what does that mean? This is 200 grams. Let me bring it here. Grab it. This is 200 grams. 2% dates. It means 4 gram dates. In this much date is it? Is it funny or no? And a little bit more tamarind. So, literally by buying this, I buy sugar and water with this much dates gone and a little bit tamarind. The price is 55 Indian rupees. I don't know the dollar and all. This mother recipe literally sell the water sugar in the name of date. And the painful part for me is that the way the advertisement. Sweetness of date with our tamarind dates. Blah, 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 blah. See, the thing is, one mentality is the date is healthy, we can eat the dates and yes. Date is better alternative compared to the sugar, but it doesn't mean this is date, carbs is carbs. Yeah, if you want to use sugar, it's better to switch it on to something better like date has a fiber and other minerals and vitamins. But it doesn't mean carbs in the date doesn't give you the fat. Extra calorie give you fat. If you want to drop the fat, you have to be in the calorie deficit. And in this mother recipe, sell the actually sugar water with a lot of the regulator and salt and 4 gram per package of the dates. So what's the point? Go grab the tamarind, grab the dates, soak it in the water and mix it. You have the better option of this. The big problem here is in India is people saw the advertisement front of the everything like package and don't give attention to the nutrition fact ingredient and they buy it. And they use it and they blame the genetic, they blame, oh, why I don't lose my belly fat, why I have a stomach. And literally, seriously, whenever I go to the gym and people talking about the diet, fitness and this kind of thing, people say, no, you have a good genetic. No, I don't eat shit. I don't give any shit to this mother recipe. I think it's a new word, I can use it and YouTube doesn't ban me, mother recipe. This is a small example. I saw a lot of brand, even big one, in the name of protein, in the name of healthy diet. They sell the shitty product to the people and people don't know anything. Like they just buy because the advertisement is too much. They bombard it with the advertisement. See, when in the country, the celebrity or people has 1 million followers saying funny thing like,
protein shakes are really bad. Can you elaborate? It takes 3 years to digest one scoop of protein shake, by the way.
3 years. See, let me calculate. You can't expect that the majority of the people read the label and don't listen to those celebrity or other advertisement. I have an example of the protein bar. In India, there is a protein bar who doesn't have any protein. Like it has a protein, but normal curd everywhere is available. It has a more value protein compared to that protein bar. If you don't see those videos, go and check it. I will make more because I believe that if you want to change your body, it has to change the vision of the manufacturer, and something has to change in the Indian market because there is no healthy, good alternatives. If you guys from abroad, you want to come to the India or anything, if you live in India, you don't have option. Seriously, I'm in Mumbai right now, and I cannot find any healthy, not healthy, something that fits to the fitness lifestyle to keep my body in shape. I have to, always carry my protein because, like, I carry this kind of protein because it's easy to carry. Because there is no protein source outside. If you go even to restaurant, order the chicken, they bring for you bone. And let's make a video regarding this thing later and explain you why most of the people, majority of the people don't get in shape and they have extra fat and less muscle. Because in point of my view, the big problem is not the people, the market. Market is sick, market is ill. And you don't have access to the good food easily, and you have easily access to the high calorie, low nutrient food. When I see this today, I decide to go through all shops and restaurants and show the true face of the every product like this and compare which one is good. You can eat it if you want to be in shape always, or which one, like mother recipe, you should avoid it. And if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and like my video and give me some energy to go and find what is good in the market in India and what's not good in India, and you should avoid it. And I'm sure it's gonna be helpful for you guys. And if you are interested in the modeling activity or my diet, you can check my Instagram. Usually I upload my diet and what I eat. Especially I have a highlight about my food. And very soon I'll come up with the recipe here in my YouTube channel. And one more thing, if you have any doubt about the particular brands here compared to the other brand or any alternative or better replacement, do let me know in the comment. I'll read all of my comments and I will make a video. I'll go and grab that video and analyze that, and I'll make a video regarding that particular product or nutrition or like dish. See you in the next video.